Hi! In this video, we are taking a look at the Mosko Moto Reckless 10 mounted on the KTM 390 Adventure R using the Perun Moto top luggage rack and heel guards. Reckless 10 is the smallest bag in the Mosko Moto Reckless lineup. It's designed primarily for day rides, offering just enough space for essentials while keeping the bike light and compact. The system is fully waterproof and features moly webbing on the exterior, allowing additional accessories to be attached if needed. On the KTM 390 Adventure R, this setup works particularly well with the Perun Moto top luggage rack and heel guards. The rack provides a stable mounting platform for the harness, while the heel guards offer clean and secure strap routing points for the lower straps. For this installation, we are using the Mosko Moto Gnoblin quick release system. Mounting the Gnoblin button onto the rack is shown in a separate video, so we won't cover that step here. In this setup, the Gnoblin is installed in the middle mounting position on the rack. The harness itself uses a single, fixed position for the Gnoblin hardware, which makes alignment straightforward. The horseshoe bracket mounts on the underside of the harness, while the top plate sits on the upper side, secured with the 4 supplied bolts. With the hardware in place, we can mount the harness onto the bike. Place the harness onto the tail of the bike, align it with the Gnoblin button and slide forward until it clicks into place. Make sure the Gnoblin locking pin is threaded all the way out. Next, we move to the lower straps. On the KTM 390 Adventure R, we secure them to the Perun Moto Heel Guards. The guards feature dedicated strap slots and a quick release cutout, which makes installation and removal fast and convenient. Route the straps through the upper slot, making sure they are not twisted. Then tighten them evenly on both sides to keep the harness centered. With the harness secured, tighten the Gnoblin locking pin. The dry bags are already positioned inside the holsters. Once loaded, the roll tops are folded at least 3 times and the buckles are clipped together to form a loop. The central strap from the harness passes through that loop and secures the bag in place. Because the system sits toward the rear of the bike, the luggage stays completely out of the rider's way, both when seated and when standing on the pegs. For reference, the rider in this video is 188 cm tall, or 6 foot 2. Here's what we packed inside the Reckless 10. In one side bag we have a first aid kit and a relatively bulky rain jacket. In the other bag, there is a small tire compressor, a spare front tube, and a basic toolkit. Even with that load, there is still enough room left for a few snacks. Removing the system from the bike is just as simple as installing it. Start by loosening the lower straps slightly, then pull them out through the quick release cutout slot on the heel guards. Repeat the process on the other side. After that, unscrew the Gnoblin locking pin and slide the harness rearward to release it from the rack. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing Perun Moto.